Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to take you through this experiment. So basically, I'm going to test the viscosity and consistency of the water-based gel when we mix xanthan gum in water at different percentages. So we've got 1%, 2%, and 3%. So I've already mixed my xanthan gum with glycerin for easy blending in water. Now, let's get started.
I know that I love you, and no girl can be above you. In my heart, you're like a tattoo. I can't imagine love without you. When together we can never be touched. You and me together we can never be.
So guys, make sure you mix the xanthan gum completely in the water so that you have that nice consistency.
Be looking in the rearview on everything that we've been through. The only things that I got you, and there's nothing that they can do. When together we can never be touched. You and me together we can never be. Love strong, we can never be touched. You and me together we can never be.
So finally, we can now compare water-based gel. So if you can see from this first one contain 1%, it's a little bit watery, and the second one containing 2% is a little bit thick than the first one. And lastly, the one containing 3% is thicker than the 1% and 2%. So guys, if you want to make a gel using xanthan gum, you definitely know the percentage you would use. Thanks for watching.